Hello guys, welcome to Kettle Queen. So today I'm going to fry brinjals. This whole brinjal I'm going to fry. I have cut it into this. Okay, don't cut it completely. Okay, so now I'll prepare the stuffing for this. Okay, so first in a bowl add some chopped onions, then some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, then some garam masala powder, then black pepper, some jeera powder or cumin powder, then some dry ginger powder. Okay, then add some mustard oil to it, and some ginger garlic paste. Okay, so now just mix this properly. So now we'll add the stuffing to the brinjal. Okay, you can also use a spoon and do it. Okay, so stuff the stuffings like this inside of the brinjal. Okay, follow the same for all the brinjals. Okay, then keep it aside for 5 minutes. Okay, so we'll heat up some oil in the kettle. I'm using mustard oil. Okay, you can use refined also. So now we're going to add the brinjals to it slowly. Okay, these two are enough, or else we cannot flip it over if we'll add another one also. Okay, because kettle is small. So we'll fry this both sides. Each side will take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, to cook properly. Okay, so it's the time to flip it over. As you can see, this side is almost cooked. Okay, so you have to cook the other side also like this. You can see these two have been fried properly. So now we are going to add the third one also to the kettle. Okay, add this masala to it. Now again we'll cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes both sides. Okay, not 6 to 7 minutes each side. For each it will take around 3 minutes. Okay. Yes guys, so brinjal fry is ready. Please try this recipe and let me know, okay, how it goes for you. Bye bye, take care.